Here is how to edit PDFs for free. And we're going to do this using a tool called Sedja. So after trying various tools and apps to do this, Sedja is one that works the best, which doesn't require sign up and is really easy to use. So this isn't sponsored or anything, it's just something that I use and I'll show it to you. So first, just come to your browser and then search for Sedja PDF editor. Then click on the first link, which is the online PDF editor. Then the next step is to upload the file over here. And there are various methods. So if it's on your PC, you can just click on this button. But they have other methods over here. For now, I'll just upload one from my PC. Select the PDF and click on Open. And here you can see the PDF has come and we can make all the changes that we want to. And also on top, we have more options if we want to add more things onto the PDF. So let's start with the first method of editing, and that's editing text. So on top, just select text, and here it treats each line of text as a text box, and we can simply make edits to this. So you can just click on the text box and then make any changes that you want to. So now I'll show you some changes that you can make. So let's say over here for the status, I want to change it from pending to completed. As you can see, if I click on this, a text box appears. I can just double click and then I can just type completed. Then if I want to move this, it's basically a text box which I can just move around, and now it's aligned with the other completed that's written on top. Then they have some formatting options over here. I'll quickly show you those. You can make it bold or italics. After that, you can change the font size from here and the font. So these are all the options that they have. Then you can change the color if you'd want to, and you can make this a hyperlink that someone can click on. So these are all of the options that are there. So this is how to edit text. It's really simple. Each text is a text box that you can edit, and then you can just drag it to move it around. Now I'll show you some more edits you can do, like adding images, your signature, or whiteout, which is basically erasing something from here. So first, coming to images, if you click on this, you can just add a new image. So I'll do that. So here I've added my logo, and let's say I want to put it on the top left. I can just paste it here, then resize it, and here I can move it around based on where I want it to be. Then to add a signature, you can just click on this option, then click on new signature to add yours. Here they have options where you can type it out and select different fonts, or actually draw your signature on your PC. For now, I'll select this option. It's come here. And if I want to put it at the bottom, I can scroll down and just tap here and it's come. And the same way we can resize it and move it around the PDF. Then the next option that's useful is whiteout. So let's say you want to erase something that's been written on the PDF. Just select that. And if I want to remove the second point that's here, I just have to select that in this box and it's gone. So since the background is white, we didn't have to change the color. But if you want to change the color, you can just do that from here like this. And there's one more option you should know, which is adding pages. So if you click on this, insert page here, as you can see, a page has gotten added on top and we can type anything that we want over here. And now the last step is to export the PDF once you made all the changes. To do this, just click on Apply Changes that's here. And as you can see, the document is ready and all the changes would be implemented. And now, if you want to download the PDF, you can just click on this option to download. And if you want to share it, you can click on this button. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.